Just pulling up here at this rental property. We doing some subfloor repair. We got our guys on site taking a look at it. I'm about to get inside and see what's going on. Like they out here cutting wood. Just pulled up at Home Depot, about to go inside and get some luxury vinyl wood floors. About to head inside and see what they got. All right, we at the floor section. As you can look, there's a lot of selections to choose from. What we're going to go with is that walnut ember Java. I got a sample of it right here for you guys. That's what we're going to put down in the kitchen. It's very durable. If something happens to it, one of the good things about it, we can pull it up and put another piece. We're going to get a couple of